I have two ingredients here, the turmeric and the apple. Ayan, yung apple yung pampatamis ko. May luya din pala ako guys, may ginger ako. So, 3 ingredients na. So, this one guys ay i-blend ko. Ayan, so this is turmeric shots. Boosts immunity naturally, aids digestion, promotes glowing skin, support weight management, detoxifies the body, reduces inflammation, regulates blood sugar, and improve health heart. So, meron kaming shots ngayon ng asawa ko, which is sa kanya yung maliit at sa akin yung medyo malaki. So, this one is called turmeric shots. Tingnan nyo, diba? Huminga muna ng malalim yung asawa ko. Tinignan niya ako kung kaya kong inumin. Actually, mas good ito guys kaysa sa celery juice. Ito, ang hindi ko lang dito guys kinakaya, yung amoy ng turmeric. Tingnan niyo yung asawa ko guys. Super kunot yung mukha talaga. Pero it's good for me than the celery na gumuguhit talaga sa aking lalamunan. So, mission success!